Today we're gonna make this show-stopping salad, grilled halloumi. It is delicious and beautiful. If you're enjoying my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, Nikki's Modern Mediterranean, and for more entertaining tips, follow me on Instagram at nikki.gleckis. So to get started on our delicious grilled halloumi salad, we're gonna start with getting all of our ingredients ready. So I am using 776 halloumi. We'll have a link below for you guys to purchase this. So we're gonna get started by opening this package here and slicing up our halloumi. I've also gotten the rest of our ingredients ready. We have mixed greens. I have peeled an entire orange, so we're gonna slice that up. I have some pomegranate seeds. And you know, I always love lots of beautiful colors. So this is gonna be so pretty. And then we're gonna cut up our fennel. So for our halloumi, I'm gonna cut nice thick slices for us to grill. So our halloumi's ready to grill. Next we have our orange. So I've peeled the orange and I'm just gonna cut this in rounds just because I want the really beautiful colors on the salad. And we're gonna assemble this salad on, instead of a bowl, I'm gonna do it in a nice big platter because I want you to really be able to see all the vibrant colors of this. So we're gonna do our orange rounds here. And now that's ready. I'm gonna leave that here. We have our pomegranate, that's ready. We have our mixed greens, and next our fennel. So we're gonna cut off the top there. We're gonna take our fennel, and I'm just gonna cut it right in half. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grill, smells so good. I'm gonna grill these two pieces and then we'll chop it up. So let's go right onto the flat top. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil down on our hot pan so that I can grill these fennel pieces. And then right on the hot grill, I'm gonna put down our halloumi. And we're gonna let that cook so that we can get some nice grill marks on there. So we're gonna check our halloumi. Look at that beautiful char marks. So we're gonna flip them. You just wanna get that great color on there. Oh, it smells so good. We're gonna let them grill on that side. I'm gonna check our fennel, which also looks great. We're gonna flip those. And our halloumi smells amazing, so I'm gonna check it. It's all ready, so I'm gonna take those off. Our halloumi looks amazing, and now we're just waiting for our fennel to grill. So our fennel looks great. I'm gonna take those off the grill, and we're gonna cut them up for our salad. So we have our grilled fennel here, so I'm just gonna cut this in thin slices. I'm cutting the core of the fennel off now after I grilled it. I kept it on so it would hold it together but while I was grilling it, but now we can cut that off. And now let's get ready to assemble. So I'm gonna use this nice big platter here, and I'm gonna use about a pound of mixed greens. Just gonna kind of spread that out all over the platter. This is a great salad for entertaining because look, you can put this as a showstopper in the table. Nice and beautiful. So next I'm gonna add our fennel. Spread that out. Beautiful. And for our red color, we're gonna do pomegranate. So I have a cup of pomegranate seeds. Spread that all over our salad. Next, our orange slices. So we're gonna put these around. Look how beautiful. And next, our halloumi. So we have our grilled halloumi that I'm just gonna place right there in the center of our salad. And this is gonna look amazing on your table. Look how beautiful. And for our final touch, we need our dressing. So I'm gonna use, of course, the citrus already from our orange juice, and we're gonna make an orange vinaigrette. We're gonna do about half a cup of olive oil. So we have a half a cup of olive oil. We're gonna do a quarter cup of fresh orange juice. We're gonna do a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm gonna whisk this together. Simple, refreshing, works so well with this salad. And now I'm gonna pour this right on top. And the salad is ready to be served. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com.